Did you know that the vibrant red powder you sprinkle on your favorite dishes, paprika, is actually packed with some amazing health benefits? That's right, it's not just about adding flavor to your meals. This little spice has some seriously impressive properties that can do wonders for your body. Stick around, because today we're diving deep into the world of paprika and revealing why this spice is an absolute must-have in your kitchen. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community focused on natural health and wellness. Today, we're talking about one of the most underrated spices, paprika. Most people use it just for its flavor or as a garnish, but trust me, you're going to want to hear about the hidden benefits of this powerhouse spice. From boosting your immune system to improving your skin, paprika offers way more than meets the eye. So, let me ask you this. How often do you add spices like paprika to your meals and think, oh, this will be good for my health? Probably not very often, right? We're all guilty of overlooking spices like paprika, viewing them simply as flavor enhancers. But what if I told you that by skipping paprika, you're potentially missing out on a spice that can help with everything from heart health to glowing skin? The truth is, many of us focus solely on how our food tastes, forgetting that spices like paprika can be packed with nutrients and healing properties. This spice is far more than just a pretty garnish. It's time we give paprika the credit it deserves. Let's break it down and explore some of the incredible health benefits of paprika. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Paprika is loaded with antioxidants, which are crucial for protecting your body from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants, leading to cell damage. Paprika's rich antioxidant profile, particularly carotenoids like beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, can help neutralize these harmful free radicals. These antioxidants are also fantastic for eye health, protecting the retina and reducing the risk of eye diseases like cataracts and macular degeneration. 2. Boosts immune system. One of the key nutrients in paprika is vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. In fact, paprika contains more vitamin C than some citrus fruits. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps your body fight off infections and aids in the repair and regeneration of tissues. Adding paprika to your diet can give your immune system the extra boost it needs, especially during cold and flu season. 3. Supports heart health. Now, if you're concerned about heart health, paprika could be your new best friend. It's rich in capsaicin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Studies have shown that capsaicin can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve circulation, all of which are crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. The anti-inflammatory effects of paprika may also help reduce the risk of heart disease over time. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Speaking of inflammation, did you know that chronic inflammation is linked to a variety of diseases, including arthritis, diabetes, and even cancer? Fortunately, paprika has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe inflammation in the body. Capsaicin, along with other compounds found in paprika, has been shown to reduce inflammatory markers, potentially providing relief from inflammatory conditions like arthritis. 5. Enhances skin health. Here's one that might surprise you: paprika can actually improve your skin health. The antioxidants in paprika, particularly vitamin A, play a key role in skin regeneration and repair. Vitamin A helps with the production of new skin cells, promotes a healthy complexion, and can even combat signs of aging, like wrinkles and fine lines. If you're looking for a natural way to maintain youthful, glowing skin, sprinkling some paprika on your meals might just do the trick. 6. Aids in digestion. Paprika also contains dietary fiber, which is essential for healthy digestion. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements and can prevent issues like constipation. Additionally, the capsaicin in paprika may stimulate the digestive system and improve the production of stomach acids, which aids in the breakdown of food. 7. Metabolism booster. Now, if you're someone who's always looking for ways to boost your metabolism, paprika has you covered. The capsaicin in paprika has thermogenic properties, meaning it can increase your body's heat production and, in turn, help burn more calories. This can support weight loss efforts by speeding up your metabolism and making your body more efficient at burning fat. 8. Improves iron absorption. Here's another hidden gem. Paprika is an excellent source of iron, a mineral that plays a crucial role in transporting oxygen throughout your body and producing energy. But what makes paprika even more impressive is that the vitamin C content in it enhances iron absorption. So if you're looking to boost your iron levels, adding paprika to iron-rich foods like spinach or legumes can make a significant difference. Now, here's where things get really interesting. One of the most surprising benefits of paprika is its potential to combat cancer. Some studies have shown that the capsaicin in paprika may have anti-cancer properties, particularly in slowing down the growth of cancer cells. While more research is needed, the early results are promising, showing that paprika could potentially play a role in cancer prevention. But that's not all. Another amazing benefit of paprika is its ability to improve brain health. The antioxidants and vitamins in paprika have been linked to improved cognitive function and memory retention. Some studies even suggest that the antioxidants in paprika may protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Alright, let's sum up everything we've learned. Paprika is more than just a colorful garnish, it's a powerhouse spice packed with health benefits. It's rich in antioxidants, helps reduce inflammation, supports digestion, improves skin health, and can even boost metabolism. You can use paprika in a variety of ways, from seasoning meats and adding flavor to soups, to sprinkling it on snacks or infusing it into oils. Whether you're cooking eggs, roasting vegetables, or making a flavorful dip, paprika can elevate both the taste and the nutritional value of your meals. By incorporating paprika into your cooking, you're not only enhancing flavor but also benefiting your health. This versatile spice offers a natural way to support your immune system, improve digestion, protect your skin, and promote overall wellness. Plus, it's easy to add to almost any dish. Whether you're a beginner cook or a seasoned chef, paprika is an affordable and accessible ingredient that can bring long-term health benefits. Try it in new recipes and let it spice up your life, both in flavor and well-being. So the next time you're cooking, don't just sprinkle paprika for its vibrant color and smoky flavor. Remember all the incredible health benefits you're adding to your meal. I want to hear from you. Have you discovered any new ways to use paprika in your cooking? Or maybe you've tried it for its health benefits? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about the health benefits of other common spices, feel free to let me know which one you want to learn about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.